Hi, today let's make tasty honey chicken garlic skewers. Very simple, very easy but refreshing flavorful starter. First let's marinate the chicken with some lemon juice along with some salt. Next I'm adding in some turmeric powder, I'm adding in some pepper powder, chili powder and then ginger garlic paste. Marinate it really very well and you can marinate it overnight or 15 minutes prior making is good to go. Next you get these skewers easily in any shops. Take chicken skewers like this and slowly start threading the chicken one by one into the skewers and then repeat the same for all the chicken which you have marinated it. You can either air fry it or you can either pan fry it, completely your choice. If you want you can do either of them. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. Now the chicken is ready to be placed in the air fryer. Now I place the chicken in the air fryer at 180 degree for 15 minutes and your chicken is ready. While the chicken is cooking there, I'll make a tasty sauce for this. I've added butter in a pan. Once the butter is melted, next, I'm adding in some chopped garlic and then I'm adding in here chili oil. Chili oil is easily available in any supermarket or any store. It's called as chili oil. Next, I'm adding in honey, which is one of the main ingredient for which the chicken is named after. I'm adding in some salt to taste. Next, I'm adding in chopped coriander leaves and give it a really very good mix. See to that the sauce is beautifully tossed along with the chili oil, the garlic and the honey. Immediately you can see the glossy feel of the sauce. The sauce is super ready to be brushed on the chicken. Now brush the chicken with this lovely glossy tasty sauce and that's it. Your super tasty, super simple honey garlic chicken skewers is ready to dig in. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.